For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 5.
Struggle to get your rice just right? Sometimes too sticky, sometimes too dry? I've been there too. That's exactly why I started using the Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, CRP ST0609FG. And honestly, it changed the way I cook rice forever. The Cuckoo isn't just another rice cooker. It's designed for people who want full control over texture and taste. Cuckoo, one of Korea's most trusted kitchen brands, has built a reputation for precision and smart cooking innovation, and this model truly shows why. What makes it stand out is its twin pressure system, giving you 2 ways to cook. When I'm creating sticky rice, I use the high pressure mode, and the grains come out soft, chewy, and perfectly cooked. But when I want fluffy long-grain rice, switching to non-pressure mode gives me that light and airy result. I love that I can get both textures in one cooker. It's like having 2 machines in one. Then there are the 16 menu options, not just for rice, but for porridge, GABA brown rice, glutinous rice, steamed veggies, and more. I once tried the open cooking mode to steam mixed vegetables, and it worked beautifully. Evenly cooked, fresh, and never soggy. It's great when you want to experiment or make quick, healthy meals without standing over the stove. The 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked capacity fits small to medium families perfectly. I usually make enough for dinner and still have leftovers for lunch the next day. The non-stick inner pot really helps with cleanup. No scraping, no burnt spots, just smooth and easy. Safety is another area Cuckoo nails. The safe steam release automatically releases pressure gently and quietly. I've used other brands that hiss loudly and feel a bit risky, but this one operates smoothly and feels secure. It's a small thing that adds a lot of confidence while cooking. The voice guide is another thoughtful touch. It walks you through each mode, so even if you're new to rice cookers, you won't mess up. The first time I used it, I almost picked the wrong setting, but the voice reminder saved me from that mistake. Cuckoo also includes everything you need right in the box: a rice spatula, measuring cup, and manual. Setting it up took me less than 10 minutes. After several weeks of use, I can confidently say the Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker gives consistent, restaurant-quality rice every single time. If you're serious about good rice and want a reliable, smart, and easy-to-use cooker that fits your daily routine, this one's worth it. It's not just about convenience, it's about getting that perfect bowl every single time, without the guesswork.
Number 4.
Ever struggled to get perfectly cooked rice at home? Sometimes soggy, sometimes hard? I've been there too, which is why the Zojirushi NWJEC18BA pressure induction heating rice cooker has been a game changer in my kitchen. This rice cooker isn't just another appliance. With a 10-cup or 1.8-liter capacity, it's perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who cooks rice frequently and wants consistent results every time. Whether you're making sticky sushi rice or fluffy jasmine rice, it delivers reliable texture without any guesswork. The magic lies in its pressure induction heating system. It combines precise induction heat with pressure cooking to give uniform results. The cooker automatically chooses from 3 pressure levels based on your menu and fine-tunes across 4 pressure settings to match the rice type. I've tried brown rice in this cooker and it came out perfectly soft, no hard centers like I used to get with my old cooker. Even white rice had that slightly glossy, plump texture you usually only get at restaurants. At the heart of this cooker is advanced fuzzy logic with AI. The AI learns your cooking patterns and adjusts the cycle for optimal results. I noticed after a few uses the rice seemed even better. It's almost like the cooker adapts to my habits. Over time, it really maintains consistent results without me thinking about it. Build quality is another plus. Made in Japan, the pot heats evenly, the lid seals tightly, and the interface is clear and easy to use. I especially like the included self-standing spatula holder. It keeps the spatula upright and the counter clean, which is a surprisingly helpful feature when cooking daily. Another small but meaningful detail, it runs quietly. Even during pressure cooking, the sound is soft and unobtrusive. Cooking times vary, White rice about 40 minutes, brown rice up to 70 minutes, but every batch comes out consistent and I've never had a disappointing meal. In short, the Zojirushi NWJEC18BA blends smart technology, precision engineering, and practical design. It's not just a convenience tool, it's a rice cooker that learns, adapts, and delivers consistent quality. If you want restaurant-quality rice at home with minimal effort, this model is worth every...
Number 3.
Tired of rice that's either undercooked or mushy? Let me show you why the Cuckoo MCOM rice cooker CR0675FG has completely changed the way I cook rice at home. If you want perfectly cooked rice every time, this cooker is a game changer. I've been using it for a few weeks, and it handles up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, 12 cups cooked, which is perfect for family meals or meal prepping for the week. What I love most is how easy it is to clean. The non-stick inner pot and removable lid make washing a breeze. Plus, the self-clean function is a lifesaver on busy days. I can focus on serving meals instead of scrubbing the pot. But this cooker isn't just for plain rice. With 9 menu options, I've cooked glutinous white rice, brown rice, oatmeal, and even baby food. The adjustable settings make it simple to get the perfect texture. For instance, I tried the brown rice mode, and it came out soft, fluffy, and evenly cooked, no mushy spots, ever. The 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked capacity makes it great for gatherings. It even comes with a rice spatula and measuring cup for precise portions. I recently cooked for a small dinner with friends, and every cup of rice came out perfectly cooked, consistent and fluffy. For anyone busy or on the go, the quick rice mode, timer, and warming function are lifesavers. I often set the timer before leaving for work, and coming home to freshly cooked rice feels amazing. The warming mode keeps the rice ready without drying it out. And here's the smart part. Fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature to ensure perfect rice every time. From my experience, it prevents overcooking or burning, something I struggled with in other rice cookers. The Cuckoo MCOM rice cooker CR0675FG in sleek gray is simple, reliable, and versatile. Between its easy cleanup, large capacity, and smart cooking technology, it's quickly become my go-to for daily meals and family gatherings.
Number 4.
Let me show you a rice cooker that takes all the guesswork out of it. The Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup uncooked is a game changer for busy kitchens. From my own experience, it cooks rice flawlessly, whether it's white, brown, or even steel-cut oats. Thanks to fuzzy logic technology, it senses the moisture in your grains and adjusts cooking time and temperature automatically, so every batch comes out fluffy without you hovering over it. This rice cooker offers 7 cooking functions: mixed rice, quick rice, brown rice, white rice, multigrain rice, porridge, and steel-cut oats. You can also steam vegetables, meat, or fish using the included steamer basket, which I personally love for preparing quick, healthy meals while the rice cooks. The porridge and soup settings make it versatile enough for any meal of the day. What I find most impressive is the fuzzy logic technology. It perfectly adjusts cooking for different grains and textures. Even when I tried mixed rice for the first time, it came out evenly cooked with no mushy spots. Using it is simple. The digital display lets you select your program, and 2 delay timers ensure your meal is ready exactly when you want it. After cooking, the auto keep warm function keeps rice at the perfect temperature for up to 15 hours. Accessories like a measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle, and steamer basket make daily use effortless. Safety features include a detachable power cord, locking lid, thermal fuse, and steam vent cap, all designed to prevent accidents. Plus, the automatic shutoff gives you peace of mind when multitasking in the kitchen. Cleaning is quick thanks to the non-stick inner pot, removable steam vent, and easy-to-wipe exterior. For my own use, it takes just a few minutes to keep everything spotless and ready for the next meal. In short, the Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup uncooked makes rice and multigrain cooking simple, reliable, and fast. Whether you're feeding a family or prepping meals for the week, it's a practical, time-saving solution that consistently delivers great results.
Number 5.
Perfectly cooked rice every single time? Let me show you how. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker steamer, white, is a compact, reliable option for small households or anyone who wants fuss-free rice. I've been using this cooker for a few weeks, and honestly, it never fails. My short grain rice comes out fluffy and consistent every time. The single switch control is super easy. No complicated settings, just add rice and water, flip the switch, and let it do its job. I love using it on busy mornings when I barely have time to cook. It also has a see-through glass lid with a stay cool knob, which lets you check the rice without losing heat or steam. I usually peek in while multitasking in the kitchen, and it keeps the rice perfectly moist and soft. Stay cool handles make moving it from counter to table safe and easy. I've carried it full of hot rice without worrying about burns, which is a small feature but really handy. The durable non-stick inner pan keeps rice from sticking, making cleaning simple. I don't even need to add oil, so it's healthier too. It comes with a 6-ounce measuring cup, roughly 3/4 of a US cup. 1 cup of raw rice makes 2 to 3 cups cooked, which makes portioning super simple. Plus, it doubles as a steamer. I've steamed vegetables alongside my rice, and it works perfectly, making one-pot meals easy and convenient. In short, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker steamer is simple, reliable, and practical. If you want a rice cooker that actually makes your life easier, this one's worth trying.